Hi everyone, we are seeing important questions related to UPSC Prelims 2024. ठीक है? Now, these questions are very important because these questions are not direct and definitely they are kind of which you have like kind of never see such statements. Never find or directly read from the website. So it's very important you solve here और बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है, right? Just I want you to focus carefully and solve and learn as much as possible. Okay, CITES convention की बात हुई है. Now if you see here, it is international agreement between the governments aim to restrict the international trade in space. Now you see restrict नहीं करता, ये regulate करता है. So there is a big difference. Restrict मतलब करना ही नहीं है और regulate मतलब करना है, पर the trade has to be there but it should not be kind of exploitation, है ना. डिसएडवांटेज बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होने चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए, बिकॉज एक्सप्लॉयटेशन तो होगा ही जब आप ट्रेड करोगे. ओवर एक्सप्लॉयटेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. सो इट्स नॉट रेस्ट्रिक्टिंग, इट इज़ रेगुलेटिंग. सो दिस इज अगेन नाउ साइट्स वाज अडॉप्टेड टू रेगुलेट ट्रेड इन एंडेंजर्ड एंड क्रिटिकल एंडेंजर्ड स्पीसीज एज मेंशन्ड इन द IUCN लिस्ट. So this is again a wrong statement. It was never mentioned. If you read the framework of the convention, if you read the convention statements, declaration, you can find there nothing such as endangered or critical endangered की बात हुई है. Okay, it is for the all species. और मैं आपको solution भी दिखाता हूँ. Third statement legally binding. So you see the solution. Sites do not restrict. Okay, you see here it's like it many wild species in trade are not endangered, but existence of agreement to ensure the sustainability of the trade is important in order to safeguard these resources for the future. So it's not endangered but still sites. Okay, the convention states. So sites is important even for all species, not related to only endangered. Okay, it is legally binding. Okay, it is legally binding treaty. And one more important thing is restricted, regulate करता है, not restrict. So all statements you got here. So learn this and go to the website. These all statements are taken from the website. Nothing I am putting from my side, but you have to be careful while you are reading because questions इतना आसानी से नहीं आएगा. India is a part of sites. India sites क्या करते हैं? No, they will frame difficult statement. They will see if you are reading any topic with depth or not. Okay. So in reference to committee of the ethics in the member recently you seen Mahua Mitra, okay, Mitra of the TMC MP, okay, ethics committee वहाँ setup हुआ है उनके लिए. You are reading in the news. So ethics committee in the Lok Sabha, उसी पे I have framed one question. Now it's consists of 15 members nominated by the speaker. This is easy statement you can frame, but 15 was important. Okay. Now if you see here that कहीं ना कहीं तो एथिक्स कमेटी कैसे रिपोर्ट, हाउ इट विल प्रोसीड द रिपोर्ट, व्हाट हैज़ टू बी डन विद द रिपोर्ट, एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज नथिंग कैन बी डन आर्बिट्रेरीली. सब चीज़ का एक रूल्स है, रेगुलेशन है. ओके, तो रिपोर्ट का जो भी है इट इज़ मेंशन इन द चैप्टर 20 of the rules of procedure for the conduct of business in the Lok Sabha. Recently incorporated, not in 15 it was incorporated. Okay, now if you see here, there shall be the committee on the ethics, 15 members nominated by the speaker. First is correct. The recommendation of the committee shall be presented in the form of a report. पहले recommendation देखा, that recommendation is a report actually. That report shall be presented to the speaker, who may direct that the report be laid on the table of the house. So the committee did not directly submit the report on the table. It is sent to the speaker and then it is laid on the table of the house. The report of the committee may also state the procedure to be followed by the house in giving the effect to the recommendation. So reports, so actually the committee is superior body here. It is mentioning the procedure how to follow this report and that needs to be done. Okay, तो इस चीज़ का आप ध्यान रखोगे. व्हाट आर द फंक्शंस ऑफ द रिपोर्ट, रिपोर्ट का मतलब क्या होता है. फंक्शन ऑफ द कमेटी, एथिक्स कमेटी क्या करती है, ये ethical conduct of the member of Lok Sabha. Second is a formulate the code of conduct for the members. So you should we will also remember this. Okay. Now, if the motion is approved, the members stand expelled the moment such motion is adopted by the house. So you should also know, जैसे ये motion in the form of motion it will be adopted in the house, the member will stand the expelled. This is important. Now, APEC. APEC is Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation. Such bodies you should be knowing in respect to mostly India. Suppose what actually the function of these bodies and when it was established. Such always remember these things are very very important, right? क्यों establish हुआ ये body? Then why like India can respect me? It's a member or not, or it's like kind of associate member, or what is the relation with India? That is important. तो आप देखो India is a founding member of this. This is wrong statement. Okay, India is not the founding member. Actually, India is not the member of APEC only. Okay, then the word economics is used to describe the APEC member. Now again, this has been taken from the website of APEC. Okay, because APEC cooperatives processes predominantly consider trade and economic issue. APEC laid foundation for the formation of ASEAN. मतलब APEC का body established हुआ, it laid the foundation and then ASEAN was established. Now you see here only one is correct. First and third are incorrect option because ASEAN was formed in 1967 में एंड ये 1989 में फॉर्म हुआ, तो ये इसका फाउंडेशन कैसे ले करेगा? इट वॉज फॉर्म लॉन्ग बिफोर. सो थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. ओके, थर्ड स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट. देन यू सी इंडिया मेंबर ही नहीं है. यू सी ये इंडिया, यहाँ पे मैक्सिमम चाइना है, वियतनाम है, थाईलैंड, मलेशिया, सिंगापुर. इंडिया का नाम ही नहीं है इधर. ओके, सो इंडिया इज़ नॉट ए मेंबर. इंडिया इज़ नॉट ए मेंबर एट ऑल. सो दिस यू हैज़ टू नाउ सी द वेबसाइट. इकोनॉमिक्स टर्म यूज़ किया है एपेक के लिए. ओके, सो अगेन दिस इज़ अ करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. अभी देखो न्यू मशरूम स्पीसीज, आपको पता है ये ऐसे क्वेश्चंस एग्जाम में आते हैं. लॉन्ग टाइम बैक यू सी द बनाना, नया स्पीसीज ऑफ बनाना वाज फाउंड इन द अंडमान. सच क्वेश्चंस अपीयर. ओके, तो करना है इन क्वेश्चंस को. तो सम डिस्क्रिप्शन इज गिवन. इट्स अ हनी येलो कैप. ओके, एंड दिस इज़ लाइक काइंड ऑफ, आप देखो यहाँ पे आपको मैं इस ये देखो ये मशरूम का नया वेराइटी है, कैप टाइप ऑफ हनी है. देखो आप उलन टाइप का ये है ना. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ फॉर्म. सो आपको पता करना है कहाँ पे. इट्स वेस्टर्न घाट्स इन केरला. सो दिस इज द राइट आंसर. ओके, तो नाउ यू गो टू द वेबसाइट, लिंक गिवन बिलो. आप जाओ उधर एंड सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस, एंटायर क्वेश्चंस. Or if you finish this quiz, go to the website and solve many more quizzes are there. Such questions are very very important for your examination. Go and solve, and please try to subscribe, like. Okay, I never say this, but actually I am trying hard, so I just request you, please try to like and subscribe the channel and do that. So we'll see tomorrow and all the best.